Guys, I know it's been a while since I've posted a new video, but there are some new things happening at OMG Scrunchie Club, and I want to share a few things. Yes, my earrings are in the way. Yes, my hair is different, but I'll get to that. And guess what? It's snowing here in Georgia. It never snows where I live in Georgia. Well, it does, but not very often. It snowed last year on my birthday for like 10 minutes. But it's snowing today thanks to this winter storm. But stay tuned for this new and upcoming information. I think I said that right. That's about to happen real soon. See you in a moment. So I did a dark hoodie, which I really like, as well as a light hoodie. So I'm liking both of these scrunchies, and I may wear one tomorrow. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the Scrunchie creator, Lamiel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. Today I have with me two of my little trusty dusty sidekicks, Seven and Sir. These are my sons. Yeah. So Sir just got out of frame. This is Seven. Say hello, Seven.
Hello. You should play Five Nights at Freddy's.
Or you should tell them to subscribe to OMG Scrunchie Club.
And also,
yeah, is that it? Okay.
Yeah.
So here is Sir. Say hello, Sir.
Hi.
Okay, so you can go and play if you want to. Okay, so today's OMG Scrunchie Club look that I am rocking today is, or are, earrings. I'm wearing the OMG Scrunch earrings called Ruva. That's the color. And my hairstyle is Bantu knots. I'm trying something different. New year, try new things, I guess. But I did want to apologize for not uploading as many videos as I normally do. Life gets in the way, so I can post when I can. Remember, I have 4 kids and a husband, so I have other things that I have to do. But I do have some new ideas and things that are coming to OMG Scrunchie Club real soon, and hopefully within the upcoming weeks, I'll be able to share them with you. I hope this snow is not messing up my camera. Also, I'll turn around so that you can see some of the snow. Also, if you don't know, now you know, I don't like snow. I really hate snow. I don't like it at all. I'm only out here because my kids wanted to come out, and of course my girls have abandoned me and stayed inside of the house. But my husband's here. He's standing directly in front of me, videotaping me with his camera. I do have some new, not scrunchies coming to OMG Scrunchie Club, but some new hair accessories that are going to be cute, chic, and lovely for women that have natural hair, or even if you don't have natural hair, you can benefit from these as well. But I'm going to keep this video short and simple so that I can play in the snow with my boys for a brief moment and then go back inside. But hopefully I'll have a new video posted next week. My goal is to do 1 video a week. We'll see how that goes. But thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next time. Have a good day. Bye.